Hey guys, it's Felicia. Yes, I finally made it back to post another video after 10 years. This video is just a snippet from previous videos. I felt like I needed to conclude my tex-laxed rice water journey because, as you can see from the introduction, I am no longer tex-laxed, but I will be doing a new journey with my natural hair, so I hope you guys join me for that journey. And before I get off so you can enjoy the video, I would like to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel, my new subscribers, my ride or dies. Thank you again. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave some positive comments. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be my big chop. Thank you. Bye.